So this is part 2 of the video, and we have like progressed with the login page. So as you can see, I'm able to like log in via Google. So let me show you the backend code. So I'm using BetterAuth for the like authentication part, and I'm using MongoDB. So let me show you. In our lib folder, we have the configuration of BetterAuth, and you can see auth.js. So whatever required for auth for BetterAuth, it's been done. And also I'm using MongoDB, so like Mongoose package of it. And one thing I want to show you that let me show you. So you can see it's written in clinic management. So right now I have not decided any name for this. Like in future when I will do that, I will just change it. But one thing which you have to be careful about is that this name can be used anywhere inside the application, like hundreds of the time. So we have to like centralize it so that in the future when I have to change the name, I can like change from one place and it's going to be changed in an application. So what I've done is I've created a config file. You can see config and then site.js. So here it has been centralized. Now wherever in the application the name of like app should be used, it's going to be imported and use this name. So let me show you, I have done it as well. So if I go on login page and you can see here siteconfig.name. So this way, whenever inside of the application, I used to write my like app name, I will just go from this. This way in future, I can change it very easily from like config page. So if you're also building an application and if you want like, if there is like something being used multiple times inside of application, try to make it centralized so that you can change it from one place. This way it becomes maintainable and scalable in future. So meet you in the next video. In the next video, I'm expecting that I'll be creating the login registration and the basic UI of it, and I will show you in the next video.